What you are seeing here is a video recording using 4K 50 frames per second on the Vivo Fold5. The phone is held without any stand or remote, so it's held by hand, walking along the overhead bridge, as you can see. Let's go down by this way. I think this is shorter path. The audio you are hearing is via the handphone itself. I'm not attached to any external microphone for this recording. So here we are at Rail Mall. So these are the row of shops right outside Rail Mall. Let's go and take a look at what are the shops that are available. What kind of eateries are there over here? It's a Hong Kong cafe. I think it's new. I've seen this before. There's a Burger King, Subway. The coffee bean is right at the corner of the row of shop houses. Basically, there's nothing much over here. Later we will explore the other side. Let's cross the road. Rail Mall. Car park food. I didn't know there is a private estate behind it. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look at what we have over here. So these are some of the shops. Okay, let's go. Coffee bean for 4 hours. Over here. And I think this Burger King seems to be a new outlet. It's not cheap. price is quite steep. Mexican food menu. It's 没办法。Bukit chicken rice. Country egg. What do they sell? Furniture. Mala. Mala汤. For Indian cuisine over here. Bamboo with 15% off. And cold. Packet 8 is sour wine. There's a toilet down here. It's for 8. It's kind of weird. There's a cold storage over here. Okay, it's cozy. More shops ahead. Okay. This is Kun Fire Toast over here. There's a pet station. For pets. At the end of this road is the Bukit Panjang Methodist Church. Nothing much over here. So you clearly see the row of shops over here. Okay, now let's go down the stairs and go back to the bus stop. Okay, so now we have the full view. Row of shops around Vivo Mall. Okay, basically that's all for Vivo Mall. So pay there and visit. I think this is a very quiet place where you can enjoy your meal. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.